Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate hydration reminders with WaterMinder, complete guide step by step clearly. Open the WaterMinder app on your device. If you haven't installed it yet, download WaterMinder from the App Store or Google Play. Once the app is open, create an account or log in if you already have one. After logging in, you'll be greeted with the main dashboard. To set hydration reminders, tap on the settings icon, usually found in the corner. Select the Reminders option from the Settings menu. Here, you can enable reminders for daily hydration. Choose the frequency of your reminders, such as hourly or custom intervals. Set the specific times you want to receive reminders throughout the day. You can also select different sounds or notifications tones for your alerts. After configuring your reminder times, save your settings. Now navigate back to the main dashboard. You will see your total daily water intake goal. To further customize, explore the Goals section within the settings. Here, you can adjust your hydration goal according to your personal needs. Make sure to select the correct measurement units, usual liters or ounces. Return to the Reminders section to ensure everything is set correctly. To track your water intake, simply tap the plus icon every time you drink. You can also log different types of drinks, like coffee or tea, for accuracy. Over time, monitor your progress through the graphs and charts available. If you want to receive additional tips, check out the Tips section in the app. This provides helpful hydration advice tailored to your goals. By following these steps, you'll successfully automate hydration reminders and stay on track with your water intake. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.